In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write bug report like a pro in Jira. We're going to walk through the process of creating a bug in Jira in a way that's clear, organized, and useful for your team. A well-written bug report helps developers understand the problem faster, reduces back and forth, and makes it easier to track progress from start to finish. To begin, go to your Jira board and click on Create. This opens the issue creation window, where you'll enter all the important details for the bug report. Once the form appears, locate the work type or issue type field and select bug. This is important because it tells Jira and everyone on your team that the item being reported is a defect rather than a task, story, or another type of work item. Choosing the correct issue type also helps with filtering, reporting, and workflow management later on. Next, select the status. This sets the current stage of the bug when it's first created. Depending on your team's process, you may choose something like to do, open, or another available status. The key is to select the option that best matches where the bug should enter the workflow. After that, type the summary. The summary should be short but specific. Think of it as the headline of the bug report. It should quickly explain what is broken so someone scanning a list of issues can immediately understand the problem without opening the full ticket. Then move to the description field and type the description. This is where you provide the full details of the bug. Be as clear as possible so the issue is easy to understand and reproduce. A strong description gives the team the context they need to investigate efficiently, so take a moment to make it complete and easy to read. Next, select the assignee. This assigns the bug to the person who should own it initially. In some teams, that may be a developer, a triage lead, or another team member responsible for reviewing incoming issues. Assigning the site person helps keep the workflow moving smoothly. Once everything has been filled in, click on Create to submit the bug report. Jira will then create the new issue and add it to your project so it can be tracked, updated, and resolved. And that's it. By selecting the correct bug type, setting the right status, writing a clear summary and description, and assigning it properly, you can create bug reports in Jira that are professional, actionable, and easy for your team to work with.